I guess
like kind of box
one right here. Yeah.
Oh, the
We'll get it. There'll be plenty of time.
No, you're not gonna do it.
Yeah.
Tommy, garbage.
You guys can sure take the man at a meat fest. With your interior decorating.
This is awesome, man. So why exactly didn't you invite me before this? 12 years running?
That's a good question. This game is called Crispy Wickets, or Cricket, derived from the game cricket.
What would they do with Gitmo when they're born? Let's throw
I know, I love them. Yeah, I feel, but it's also like an idea of yeah. But I'm really thinking there's good.
Go like this. Go like this.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown.
Does anyone need any vino? Hey. We were over there all relaxing. We've got some time till our filet mignon course.
Correct.
As it was in the oven, all of a sudden a couple drizzles, and we decided, Tom and I, to make moves to get this silly game that Austin had, but whose purpose had yet to reveal itself until now.
Hi, Bart. How you doing?
What are you doing under there?
I'm doing good. What's going on? Trying to stay dry.
Is it raining or something?
No, we've just been cool in VIP lounge, you know.
Oh.
How it is. Moving it, shaking it.
With the meat festival.
Keeping it real.
Killer on the road, yeah.
You can buy these on Cafe Press. I believe they're $19.99 plus tax and shipping.
They've been trying to call me apparently for quite some time, and they just walked in here from the highway.
Thomas reassured me that he would always have his phone with him, and as soon as I would call him, he would dispatch one of the vehicles to come pick me up.
That's where you're lying. That's where you're lying. You never explained to me why the phone call was critical. I just thought you wanted to call, check if we're still there. I know that's a little awkward.
Excuse me, could I have the camera back?
You never once.
I do not need to say any more. That kind of argument, how silly and specious.
Now, you were also apparently attempting a phone call problem here, or?
Did you tell them about the snipers along the road?
That's right. We had to defend ourselves against snipers.
Exactly.
From bandits that came out of the woods.
Yes.
No, that's so not helpful. I don't know what you want. This is so not helpful. It's like homeless shelter. Look into the fucking water. It's convex. I'm a muscle.
working, right? It stopped raining. Guys, it stopped raining.
Can I get some marshmallows?
I am so afraid of police.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. In whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the beast.
What's going on right now?
Quickly, looks like the third annual police visit is now happening. We're prepared for it. We're pretty much just going to pack all this up, put the fire out, and I think we're done.
Are we going to go home?
We're going to go home, I think.
All right, official. Now they're coming home.
Stand clear, done man attack. You can't stand where I stand, you can't walk where I walk. Watch out! We run.
Are you certain it's the cops?
It's almost like, it's almost 100%, and if it's not, big deal, we've cleaned up, right?
Gotta say see ya, 'cause I would never be ya.
Guys are like so retarded sometimes. Is that weed?
What, this?
What is that? I
It's
don't
a
know.
plastic cup that I'm throwing out?
All right, guys, it's time to do. It's time.
I think we should wait till they get here.
No. We're impaired. That's why.
Without looking at the real criminal. This has got to cease. Cause we be getting hyped to the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. There's a little truth. Open up your eye while you're checking out the boombox. Check the exercise. Take the word.
It was not the cops, everybody.